Hi friends, today is 15th October 2021 and today it is Dashra. I wish you a happy Dashra and let this festival bring you all the joy of your life and end all the sadness which you have. Okay, without any delay, without any wastage, let's begin. The first article is about new cicada species. Cicada is a type of insect. Okay, in the image you able to see that insect is very strong in nature. So why is that in news? Because recently in Naga Hills the new species of cicada was discovered. Its name is like Platomia cohimanaceae, something is there. So remember about this cicada species. Okay, let's move on to the next article. It's about the Central Zoo Authority. So vision plan from 2021 to 2030 has been recently released. That is why Central Zoo Authority is there in news. From the UPSC perspective, we need to know that Central Zoo Authority is a statutory body established in 1992. Okay, what is the act? It is Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Based on the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, this Central Zoo Authority was established. What is the aim of Zoo Authority? As usual, in order to protect the rich and varied heritage of our Indian fauna, mainly fauna, okay, fauna and plants also. Protection of the rich biodiversity is the main aim of this Central Zoo Authority. Okay, in order to recognize the zoos or de-recognize the zoos, it is the work of Central Zoo Authority. Okay, let's move on to the next article. It's about International Energy Agency. International Energy Agency is there in news because it has invited India to become a full-time member of International Energy Agency. So about International Energy Agency, it is autonomous intergovernmental organization. Okay, it was established in 1974 as per the framework of Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. Okay, so it is necessary that in order to become the member of International Energy Agency, you need to be a member of OECD. And all the OECD members are not the members of International Energy Agency. Just understand this. Okay, so it is headquartered in Paris. It has 30 members and it is uh, as I have told you, to become the member of what we call International Energy Agency, you have to be the member of OECD. Okay, OECD was established in 1961. Okay, that's it about the International Zoo and International Energy Agency. Let's discuss few reports which are released by this International Energy Agency. These reports are like World Energy Statistics Report, World Energy Balances, Energy Technology Prospectives, and also Global Energy and CO2 Status Report. The main report released by International Energy Agency is World Energy Outlook. Okay, let's move to the next article. It's about Dhole. What is this? It is actually called Dhole. The spelling is Dhole, but it is pronounced as Dhole. Okay, so Dhole is a kind of jungly, what we call jungly kutta, what we call in Hindi. It is like wild dog. Okay, it is also called Asiatic wild dog or red dog or also whistling dog. It whistles. Okay, actually it barks like ooh, something like that. Its sound is heard as whistle. That's why it is called whistling dog. Okay, it is highly social animal living in large clans with rigid dominance hierarchies and connecting multiple breeding females. Most of the population contains females. Okay, females are predominant in that particular clan. Okay, so these are native to Central and Southeast Asia and Southeast Asia also. Okay, uh, what is its role in the ecology? It plays an important role at the apex. I mean, apex predators. These are the apex in the food chain. They'll come in the top. Okay, so they will be eating other animals. These are the apex predators in forest ecosystems. Okay, also please remember these IUCN status of this particular species is very important from the UPSC perspective. So it is listed in Schedule 2 under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is listed endangered by International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Okay, It is under Appendix 2 of the CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Animals and Flora, Wild Fauna and Flora. It is CITES. Okay, this is all about the what we call Dhole, which is there in news. Okay, let's move on to the next article. It's about plastic waste recycling targets. So under this, our environment minister has issued draft guidelines for controlling plastic waste. Okay, so in the notification, it was expected to come into force from December 6th, something like that. But presently it is open to public feedback. Okay, so under this, the plastic is divided into three categories: category 1 plastic, category 2 plastic, category 3 plastic. Okay, category 1 is rigid plastic, category 2 is flexible plastic packaging. Also, category 3 is called multi-layered plastic packaging. Anything can be the question. Just remember these three kind of plastics which are categorized by our Union Environment Minister. One more article is there. It is about International Day of Girl Child. Okay, International Day of Girl Child is observed every year on October 11th. This occasion marks the importance of adolescents, girls and girl children. Okay, so what is the theme of this year's International Day for Girl Child? It is Digital Generation, Our Generation. Okay, also remember Beijing Declaration. This was very first conference that identified and talked about the rights of girls, children, and that was the Beijing Declaration. Okay, it was held in 1995. This was the first kind of declaration. If a question comes in the examination, what is Beijing Declaration? It is about the rights of girls and women, girls and children. Okay, also remember there is a report called Global Girlhood Report 2021. It is released by a non-governmental organization whose name is Save the Child. Okay, this is all about it. Thanks for being with me. Good luck.